We are at B51 Chicken Peruvian Rotisserie. They are now open. We're going inside. It's right next door to the Trump store. Boy, do people make comments about that on nothing bad. They just mentioned that about the Trump store being next door. So anyway, let's go inside and see what the menu looks like. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, can we get
That's what I'm gonna get. I'm gonna get
Ceviche.
yeah, it's like a meal.
It's
Oh, it is.
It's a fish.
Ceviche.
It's a raw fish.
Yeah,
Cooking
like
with
shrimp,
lime.
Love
right?
ceviche.
To do with lime.
Yeah. We
Wow.
also get ceviche,
The rotisserie smells
and then you can also
amazing.
get a house salad, just regular.
Alright.
That was one of your sides right there. You
There was. Oh, can I swap my plantains for a house salad, please?
Absolutely.
Thank you. Okay, guys, so they've been open for 3 months. This place seems to do really well. If it smells, I mean, if it's good, as good as it smells, right? People are gonna love this place. I hope they do well. They got me right up here by the sports center so I can see my Tennessee team get their butts beat. All right, guys, so here's their version of ceviche, a little bit different than I'm used to seeing. Usually there's shrimp and lemons in it. This at least has the onions. I'm not sure what that other stuff is.
corn and corn.
Corn and corn? Corn, onions, and what is that? Orange thing?
I think that's
The salmon?
no, it's like a I don't know, maybe a potato or
Oh, is it?
oh, it's probably sweet potato. Yeah,
It's what? Sweet potato? Okay, great.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Okay, now once again, let's do a rundown. That's the ceviche. And then that's the it's kind of hot. And that one's kind of really hot, more hot than this one. So that's a hotter one. Okay, and then there's a salad. That's a side salad. And I got one over here too. And then we got green beans and beautiful looking chicken. That's what I'm here for. Is just to try their rotisserie chicken. Okay, I did get a fork. Okay, good. All right, so let's just try simple shrimp and vegetables, green beans. Wow, that's really good. You can try this when you get off the camera. Really good. Yeah.
Huancaína sauce.
What is that?
Huancaína sauce is a typical sauce in Peru too.
Okay.
Can you
It
try
really
It's
is?
Yes, it's really
Is that a
good.
little
It's
spicy?
A little only.
I'm good. What is this?
The mayonnaise.
Oh, that's
It's
the mayonnaise.
homemade.
Okay.
Got it.
Okay, awesome. Thank you.
Thank you. Let's give this a try first. Here we go. Thank you. All right. These are all flavors I've never had before in any restaurant. That chicken's really good. It's good. The rub is very unique, way unique. And then you do what? You dip the zebra dip in the chicken. All right, let's try the.
It's homemade mayonnaise. She said.
Wow. They're all good. So far, everything's great. But she recommended a spoon. A little bit of broth in there. Onion and different corns. I've never had this type of ceviche. Interesting. Alright guys, so we were at B51 Chicken Peruvian Rotisserie. The most unique flavor I've ever tasted. The ceviche didn't taste like ceviche I'm used to. It was delicious, but it was probably Peruvian style because I'm used to have shrimp. They had whitefish, and so there's a few minor changes. It was delicious. The chicken seasoned amazing. The green beans seasoned amazing. These are all Peruvian flavors. We thought it was a little pricey at first, but after tasting everything, you get what you pay for. So If you like Peruvian flavors, if you've never had Peruvian flavors, you got to come by and show them love, all right? Let them know you saw it on Jack on the Go. Gonna give this place an A-. Great job. You get your money's worth. Lots of fish in the ceviche, and have fun.